Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both accounts are ready and linked to the same phone number so payments go smoothly. Open Flipkart, add items to your cart, and check the payable amount. Certain offers require minimum spends. Once done, open Google Pay and verify your account balance or linked bank so the offer can apply. Make sure your Google Pay app shows the specific offer code or promo tile. If not visible, refresh offers and restart the app to load current promotions. At checkout, choose UPI as your payment method, then select Google Pay from the list so the transaction routes correctly. Once selected, a Google Pay screen appears. Here you must tap the relevant offer tile or enter the offer code if prompted. You do this because Google Pay validates offers on its side and attaches cashback or instant discount to the UPI payment. After confirming the offer, approve the payment PIN. This finalizes both payment and after you approve payment, confirm the order success screen on Flipkart and then check Google Pay for the offer confirmation. Flipkart will also send an order message. Cashback or instant discount often posts within a few hours but allow up to 48 hours for processing. If the offer didn't apply, make sure you met eligibility rules, the merchant and item are covered, and both apps are updated. If problems persist, clear app cache, retry with a small test order, or contact support with transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.